Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the rationalinvestor.co. I'm Brian Beamish, the Rational Investor, here with your Bitcoin summary for Sunday, August 17th, 2014. Pretty wild action in the Bitcoin markets these days, but we're just going to do a quick 5-minute overview of what the daily chart is telling us here on Bitcoin. Maybe we'll look at Bitfinex too for you guys and see if we can try and put all this action into perspective. So, without further ado, let's get on to the analysis. So, here's our Silk Road bottom here, 75 bucks last year. And, as we had said before, probably best just to give you a quick update. A lot of similarities between 2013's inverted head and shoulders, down, up, down, breakout, and what we're actually seeing now. And I did a report blog write-up recently on this, where this go round we're down, up, back to neckline, down, head, up to neckline, back down. And if we do ultimately bottom here through the OTE, then we've got the right hand shoulder here, and a breakout through the trend line. This neckline up here would be the same inverted head and shoulders pattern. Only time will tell whether that will play itself out, but just in the short term, we were looking for this shoulder here. This is the left shoulder, this would be the right shoulder, this is the head right here, and that shoulder would correspond with an OTE zone, optimal trade entry. Want to try and buy between 61.8 and 78.6, which would also infer a nice test of these original, inverted head and shoulders off the 4-hour lows that started this rally to begin with. We had pretty good confidence that we were heading down on the break of 38.2. That's a very significant level. And you can see how the market put in a double top and then broke down through this trend line here. So there's pretty nasty sell signal there about a week or so ago on BTCE, and really I would say across most of the cryptocurrency markets. And right now, we're just in the process of trying to figure out where the heck this thing wants to bottom. I have just, as you can see on the chart here, I've just penciled in some potential fibs. If we bottom off of Mr. Mountain Man's, 61.8 there, and that's just hypothetical, of course. But if we bottom off of that, then you can see that the counter trend rally OTE short zone is going to be up here, 61.8. I got too many lines on this chart. I can't see them all. But anyway, 61.8 is 590, 78.6 up to 6.25. That would be sort of and you can see how this trend line here and the trend line off of the top both intersect here. That would sort of be my counter trend rally target, but that's still quite a ways down the road. Right now, we're still trying to figure out whether we're bottoming yet. And you can see off of the daily action, we might have a potential bear ABCD trying to form here. And if we break down from here, we go here to here, and then we clone that. And we project that off of the rally peak, and that takes us down into this 410 area. So there's potential for some more bloodshed here. There's no doubt about it. Kind of a shame to see good old Bitcoin falling apart here, but I guess that kind of makes sense considering this is the OTE zone, and this is where we should be expecting price to come back down to. What do the internals tell us? Internals, momentum, we had this massive bear momentum divergence. You can see that it was confirmed here, on the rally up to this 650 area. That is still working itself out. I don't see any resolution to this. I had about a week or so ago drawn this sort of imaginary hypothetical of what I was hoping would happen here. And you can see how we're sort of doing that. We made a low here, minus 12, so we'd really like to see that minus 12 hold. Right now, we're at minus 12.16 right now. So, unfortunately, as it stands, if we finish today as it is, momentum's going to be breaking down again. Boo, hiss, hiss, boo. Volume-wise, you can see volume here. We broke to new lows, lots of new selling on this breakdown here through 38.2. Not a big surprise there. No bottom yet here. I mean, we were hoping maybe we'd see some sort of bottoming action here, but just nothing here. Big chunky red bars. We need to see big chunky green bars for us to get bullish, and that just not is the case right now. And lastly, our overbought, oversold reading. You can see Willie was stupid up top here, and he's slowly taking time and cleaning himself up. Where now the raw reading is oversold, and the the moving average sitting at minus 74, so still got a little ways to go to get stupid here. We might get some sort of big panic dump here, which might push Willie stupid, and it would make sense that retail's getting all panicky, Willie stupid, and then that ultimately forms our bottom. We might be in for a day or two some really nasty action here. That could very definitely happen here. The simple message is we broke down through 38.2. Not a big surprise that we're, officially correcting and cleaning up. Hopefully, if this is still a bull, we'll hold on to this 78.6 right here. You can see a potential bear ABCD is suggesting that maybe we'll want to test the bottom of that range. And then maybe we'll see some capitulation and finally be done with this bear that's been basically dominating trade now for the past 2 or 3 months. So that's basically your summary. Not really not that exciting for you. I apologize, but you got to call a spade a spade. So big hurt, for those that are long, and basically I've been running this PAM account now for a couple months, just basically sitting there waiting to do a trade. He's going to basically do long only trades. We're just sitting there just doing nothing. Just hurry up and do nothing. And for those out there in the YouTube land who are slow sort of position traders on Bitcoin, that's basically what I would be recommending you do. Don't get in the way of this thing. We might have to go down and bust these 340 lows. You just don't know in this game. So setups, nothing to think about on the long side. Momentum and volume still pointing down. It's a big hurry up and do nothing for me right at the moment. So that's my report for today. Apologize I couldn't be the bearer of better news, but at least I'm giving you the straight goods. So have yourselves a great day. All the best, and we'll talk to you guys again real soon. Bye for now.